Recently, my GoPro 10 Black was left in a laundry bag. On today's video, I'm gonna put my GoPro through the washing machine. Now this GoPro 10, I've had it for quite a while now. And recently, I left it in a laundry bag that I threw in the washing machine. And this GoPro that you're watching right now actually went through an entire washing cycle. It ended up breaking the front screen, and the back screen wasn't broken, but now it's starting to be broken as well, which means that this GoPro is no longer usable. But it's having a little problem where both of the screens are broken. Both of the screens are broken. So we're gonna do a final test. I'm actually going to put the GoPro inside of the washing machine with a load of laundry to see if it will survive being in the washing machine twice. And at the end of the day, it's already broken, so why does it even matter? I mean, it still records. So we're gonna see if a GoPro can survive going through the washing machine for the second time. The craziest thing is, not only did it go through the washing machine, but so did the battery and the charger and the charging cord. But anyways, I bought a new GoPro. So here is my new GoPro, and this one is hopefully never gonna have to go through the washing machine, but the one that we're holding in my hand right now will go into the washing machine, and we're gonna see if it survives being put to the washing machine for the second time. Now I am gonna put it inside of a sock because I don't want to destroy the washing machine. I'm gonna have to put the GoPro inside of a sock, but other than that, it's going in there. So GoPro meets washing machine. Let's see what happens. And again, we've already done this one time by accident. This time it's gonna be on purpose. We're gonna put the GoPro in here, I think it'll be okay if I just put it in the middle. Tide Pods. Put some Tide Pods in here. 3 Tide Pods, and let me see what else we got here. How about some of this stuff right here? Right here. And well, I might try to see if I can leave the lid open. So that's hot water, and the hot water could cause it to overheat in theory. So that's on hot. Let's put it on cold. Put it on cold real quick. Okay, let's put it on cold real quick. Because that's hot water. Because the hot water would definitely. Yeah, we don't want that cold water. Cool. Alright, that's better. Alright, so the problem is that the door opened up and it let water inside. Had this GoPro remained sealed, I think it would have made it, but because the door opened up, it let water inside, and that probably ruined this GoPro. Otherwise, this GoPro would have still been good. I don't know if I can get the water out of it. I know there's a way to open it, but well, I mean, how do we get the water out of it now? That's the question. If I can get the water out of it, I might be able to get it running again.